Hey everyone, this is Max Edson, co-founder of Priced, and I'm here to give you land tip number 65 on how to use our external list scrubbing tool. And this feature was created for those that have an external data source but want to utilize our platform to automatically scrub their list. Or if you exported data with us and want to clean it up further, you can absolutely use this as well. So to find this feature, what you want to do is go to our menu bar under the More tab and then click List Scrubbing. And once you're here, all you need to do is click the Choose File button and then select the file that you want scrubbed. And you're going to see then it's going to be added. And then all I have to do is click Upload List. And once this happens, it's going to process all the records in there. And then I can go through and I have to select and match the column headers from your list to what we need to actually process it to scrub. So I'm going to go, and instead of going down the drop down, which you can do, we have this smart feature where I can just match them automatically. So I'm going to go and click all the matches here. And then once I do that, I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom, decide if I want to remove duplicate owners. I'm going to check yes for this option, and then I'm going to click the scrub option. And then from there, this is where I can actually choose which scrub features to apply. So if I don't want to have any blank owners, maybe I want to get rid of government owners, any corporate owners, blank addresses or non-US addresses, I can select those options and I could save this template if I wanted to. And then once I have everything set, I can run my scrub. And once it has that, our system's going to automatically process. You can see that there's 44 records remaining out of 117, and the download will automatically start as well. And so you're going to see a download to your computer. I can open up this file, and then this is where you're going to see your cleaned up scrubbed list that you can use moving forward. So please like, share, and subscribe if you want to learn more, and enjoy.